Good morning. Today, I'm gonna teach you 3 lessons. Number 1, the EMF, electromotive force. Number 2, Ohm's law. Number 3, power in circuits. Let's learn.
Electromotive force, abbreviated EMF, denoted in measure in volts, is the electric intensity or pressure developed by a source of electrical energy such as battery and generator. Also, a device that converts other forms of energy into electrical energy provides EMF at its output. The formula for electromotive force is E is equals to V plus IR.
Since terminal voltage is not given, its equation V sub T is equals to V EMF minus I R internal or INT, where V EMF is its electromotive voltage, while I is the current and RINT is the internal resistance. We can use this equation instead. V EMF is equals to the current times total resistance REQ, which can be solved by adding the resistances 25 ohms and 0.6 ohms. Here we have the equation for terminal voltage. So 0.75 amperes times 25.6 ohms is equals to 19.2 volts, which is the final answer.
Another lesson we are going to discuss is Ohm's law. Ohm's law states that the current through a conductor between 2 points is directly proportional to the voltage across the 2 points. More specifically, Ohm's law states that the R in the relation is constant, independent of the current. The formula for Ohm's law is V is equals to IR.
Let's go to our next problem. Here in this problem, we will be dealing about Ohm's law. If we were given a current, I is equals to 2.5 amperes and R is equals to 300 ohms, what is its voltage? Given the basic equation, V is equals to IR, we will just solve for it by multiplying the 300 ohms by 2.5 amperes. And we will get 750 volts. Next up, we are given volts which is equals to 5 volts and I, which is the current, which is 0.5 ohms. If we were to get the resistance, we just have to derive the equation to get R is equals to V over I, which is 5 over 0.5, which is equals to 10 ohms. For the last number, we are given voltage which is equals to 1.5 volts and resistance which is equals to 10 ohms. If we were to get I, you just have to derive the equation and divide the voltage by its resistance. So 1.5 over 10 is equals to 0.15 amperes.
The SI unit of power is the watt, where 1 watt is equals to 1 joule per second. Back to our circuit, to use the power rule, which is P is equals to I times V, we need to know both the current through the resistor and the voltage across the resistor. A motor uses 125 voltage and draw a current of 2 ampere. What is the power across the motor? We are given a 125 of voltage and current of 2 ampere, and we are finding the value of the power. To get the power, we will multiply the voltage to the current. Voltage times 2 ampere, and the answer is 250 watts. The final answer is 250 watts. Well done, guys. And that's all. I hope you learned a lot from my group 5, and thanks so much for watching.
Expect ko para sa Jordan. Basahin niyo lang to. God.